Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Today we're going to solve the chapter number 2 and lesson number 1 from your workbook. The page number is here, that is 32. Yes, your workbook page 32. So we're going to write the answers here one by one. So please, everyone who already done or solved these pages, they just tally their answers, okay? And if someone missed any, he can make it correct now. So the statement here, survival of A or N dash depends on its ability to produce offspring. So the survival of what? You know that the organisms they survive, we name as species. So the correct answer is here, the word that is species. Okay, my dear, the correct answer here is species. After that, the second statement or second blank is here. Well done, very nice. The students, they are sending me the answer. Well done, Tabbat, your is correct. Very nice. So after that, I will tell you the second one. Every organism comes from a parent through the process of what this process, we discuss this in detail, that is well done, very nice. Reproduction, well done. Okay, then the number statement here, we're going to write its answer, that is the transfer of the from parents to offspring is known as reproduction. The transfer of, yes, well done. Please try to send me in the chat. The correct answer on number 3 is yes, that is genetic material. That is genetic material. Okay, my dear. Then number 4, genetic material contains the information that controls an organisms. What that controls? What the information present in the genetic material? You know very well. We discussed this all in detail in this chapter, that is structure and how it's perform different functions. So that is structure and function. Very good, well done. Now then number 5 here, the production of a new organism from 2 parents is called dash reproduction. That is the easiest blank, okay, because we discussed 2 types of reproduction in which a single parent involved, in which 2 parents involved. So here you know very well, that is sexual. Well done, very nice, my dear, because new organisms from 2 parents, so we name as sexual reproduction. Now number 6 here, when an egg cells join with a sperm cell dash occurs. So the process, you know very well what this process name. Fertilization. Well done, very nice, good. The students, they sending me the answer in the chat. I very happy from you. Well done, my dear, very nice. After this, the number 7 blank, a fertilized egg develop into an individual with traits from each dash, from each, yes, during sexual reproduction the information comes from each, yes, from each parent. Okay, from each parent. After this, the number 8 blank. Let's read this. The production of a new organism from a single parent is called dash reproduction. So that is the reverse of number 5, in which we wrote sexual. So here one parent or single parent. So what we call this? Asexual. Very nice. Well done, my dear. So please, everyone, solve this till here. We done on page number 32. Question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So the student, they done excellent. Well done. Even you want to take the screenshot, no problem. Then I'm going to move on number 9 and 10. Okay. No problem. Well done. Very nice. Excellent. Now, after solving these, the number 9 and number 10, let's see the questions here. First, or blanks, what it's going to ask: most bacteria and unicellular protists reproduce by making a copy of their genetic material, and what we call this, and what's happening there? Yes. Well done. Everyone try to answer, no problem. If wrong, don't worry, okay? But that should be as your, you can say that you try to find the best option here. So the answer number 9 is splitting. Well done, very nice, good. So their genetic material and splitting, okay? This happened. Now number 10, cnidarian, sponges, and some fungi can reproduce through, okay, if you remember, we learned the type of asexual reproduction or the methods you name, like splitting, binary fission, budding, or many others are. So the correct answer is here. Well done, very nice. Budding, well done, very good. So that is the complete answers on page number 32. After solving this, my dear students, we are going to move on next page. That is your page number 33. So please, everyone, open your workbook. Now we are going to write the answers from here, workbook page number 33. So please, everyone, open this page. I'm also going to write here page number. No problem. Yes, Mr. Ahmad.
Teacher, my answer is good. You could me send you for answer from 1 till 13. The answer of page 1 and next one till 13.
Okay, no problem. You can send, but also you tally your answers from here, okay? Don't forget. Okay, so let's start to solve page number 33. So the question number 11 here on page number 33, the eggs of insects, fish, frogs, and lizards sometimes develop into new animals without being. So the answer is here. Fertilized. Okay, then number 12, new plants can grow from leaves, roots, or stems. If you remember about the vegetative propagation, that also another type or the method of asexual reproduction in plants. This type of asexual reproduction is called what we call, yes, very, very good, well done, very nice, my dear. Excellent. Well done. Good. Excellent. So vegetative propagation. Good. So number 13 here. Strawberry plants and ferns can reproduce asexually by forming what? So this the type of another asexual reproduction that we name as good runners. What we call this? Runners. Well done, my dear. Excellent. That's great. Good. Okay. Then we move to blank number 15. So, sorry, 14. What is here? An organism that reproduce asexually does not have to find A or N. That because this is going to reproduce alone without its partner. So it does not find its mate. Okay. Then number 15. Organisms that reproduce asexually tend to be well suited to their what? Where they live. So where they live, that is environments. Well done. Very good. Now the last, number 16. A major advantage of sexual reproduction is that it promotes dash in species. What it promotes? Yes, very good. Variety. Well done. Variety mean change, because the offsprings are not similar to their parents. There is variation, like you or me, we are not like our parents. We little bit similarities, but mostly there is huge difference. That is the change. We are not like our parents. So till here, my dear students, if you have any question, any doubt in any blank, you can raise your hand. Otherwise, type no in the chat. I'm going to explain these again. Okay, well done. Very nice. Excellent. That's great. Thank you very much, my dear. Thanks.